Have you ever felt like throwing in the towel and just giving up? That's where the idiom "call it quits" comes in. Let me share a funny story about a student who misunderstood this idiom. She thought it meant literally quitting her job and walking out the door. Needless to say, her boss was quite surprised. So, what does "call it quits" actually mean? It's a way of saying you're stopping or finishing an activity, usually because you're tired or have had enough. Let's see how this idiom is used correctly. After working overtime for weeks, the teen decided to call it quits and go home early. The boxer knew he couldn't continue the fight, so he called it quits and conceded defeat. Here are some examples of how to use "call it quits" in different contexts. Casual conversation: "I'm exhausted, let's call it quits and grab some dinner." Formal setting: "The project has been delayed too many times, I think it's time we call it quits." Negative context: after the third failed attempt, she finally called it quits and gave up on her dream. Humorous context: the kids were bouncing off the walls, so we called it quits and put them to bed early. Literary context: the hero, weary from the battle, called it quits and retreated to lick his wounds. Business setting: with the company's financial troubles, the CEO had no choice but to call it quits and shut down operations. Social media usage: after hours of scrolling, I finally called it quits and put my phone down for the night. To help you remember the meaning of "call it quits," think of a boxer throwing in the towel to signal they're done with the fight. This visual image can serve as a useful memory aid. The origin of this idiom comes from settling debts or accounts, where quits means even or settled. It reflects the cultural belief that it's important to know when to stop and walk away, rather than chasing losses. Over time, the idiom has evolved to be used in various contexts, reflecting our modern-day struggles with knowing when to quit. Some similar idioms to "call it quits" include "throw in the towel," "wave the white flag." Opposite idioms would be "stick with it" or "persevere." Related idioms could be "cut your losses" or "call it a day." Here's an example of how you could use "call it quits" in a sentence. After hours of studying, I finally called it quits and decided to take a break. If you wanted to rephrase that without using the idiom, you could say, after hours of studying, I finally stopped and decided to take a break. Let me share a real-life story about how effectively using the idiom "call it quits" helped a friend of mine. After a long, frustrating day at work, she told her boss, "I think it's time we call it quits on this project." Her boss appreciated her honesty and they were able to regroup and find a better solution. One common mistake is using "call it quits" with the wrong preposition, like saying "call off quits" instead of "call it quits." Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking "call it quits" means to literally quit your job or end a relationship, when it's more about stopping a specific activity or task. It's also important to avoid using "call it quits" in situations where you want to convey a sense of determination or perseverance, as the idiom implies giving up. Let's test your understanding with a few quiz questions. 1. What does the idiom "call it quits" mean? A. To quit your job. B. To stop an activity or task. C. To end a relationship. D. All of the above. 2. Which of these is a synonym for "call it quits"? A. Stick with it. B. Throw in the towel. C. Persevere. D. B and C. 3. Which of these would be an antonym for "call it quits"? A. Give up the ghost. B. Persevere. C. Carry on. D. B and C. In summary, "call it quits" is a common idiom that means to stop or finish an activity, usually because you're tired or have had enough. Understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom can greatly improve your communication skills in English. So, the next time you feel like throwing in the towel, remember to call it quits instead. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using the idiom "call it quits" in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom lessons.